In this video, I'll show you how to create a repository on GitHub. To get started, open your web browser and visit the GitHub website. Sign into your GitHub account using your username and password. If you don't already have an account, create one before continuing. Next, click the plus icon in the top right corner of the page and select New Repository from the drop-down menu. This will open the repository creation page. After that, enter a name for your repository. Choose a descriptive name that reflects your project. You can also add an optional description to explain what the repository is for. Now, choose the repository visibility. Select Public if you want anyone to be able to view your repository, or choose Private if you want to restrict access to only yourself and the collaborators you invite. Next, if you're starting a new project, check the option to add a README file. This creates a README file that you can use to describe your project and makes it easier to clone the repository later. After that, if you want, select a .gitignore template that matches your programming language or framework. This helps prevent unnecessary files from being added to your repository. Now, you can also choose a license for your project if you plan to share your code publicly. Select the license that best fits how you want others to use your project. Next, review all of your repository settings to make sure the repository name, visibility, and optional files are correct. After that, click Create Repository. GitHub will create your new repository and take you to its main page. Finally, you can begin adding files by uploading them through the GitHub website or by cloning the repository to your computer using Git and pushing your project from your local machine. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a repository on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn with Igor for more tutorials.